Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open the Discord developer portal and sign in with your account. Select the application that contains your bot. Click the Bot tab on the left to open bot settings. Find the username field and type the new name you want. Double-check spelling and capitalization before you save changes. Click Save Changes to apply the new global bot username immediately. Wait a few moments for Discord to propagate the new name across clients and servers. Open the server where you want a different display name for the bot. Right-click the bot in the member list or the chat message to open context options. Choose Edit Server Profile or Change Nickname to set a guild-specific name. Remember that nicknames apply only in that server and do not change the global application username. Ensure your account has Manage Nicknames or Manage Roles permission before attempting to rename the bot. Click Save to confirm the server nickname change. Be aware Discord may enforce a rate limit of 2 name changes per hour. Avoid rapid edits to prevent temporary blocks from further changes. Do not regenerate your bot token unless the old token is compromised or you need new credentials. Regenerating a token will immediately invalidate the previous token used by your bot. If the new name does not appear for users, ask them to relog or remove and rejoin the server to refresh client cache. Test the bot in a private server before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.